So we rebuilt a distributor because the new one we bought paid $200 for is junk. Go figure. We should have paid $300 something for the Excel. We got this OEM one here we rebuilt in some short content, you know. This is a long form video. What in the world? We got TattsForLife here. We're going to be installing this today, see if it fixes a spark knock. So stay tuned. Kentucky here is checking top dead center. We verified it on the thing and everything. Yeah, it's top. Wait, go back some. Oh, that's where one way been
Yeah, it's where you was hitting with that screwdriver.
Yeah, it's top. I thought it had some markings. I thought your engine might have been messed with before. So, and we verified all that. We top dead center. We got it set. Not at 0 degrees on the timing mark, but 6 degrees because it's hard to turn this engine over by hand.
High compression.
High compression, that. We had all the plugs out here would work, but we're going to time it at 6 degrees because that's a good start anyway. But normally I would set it to 0 and then go from there. But 6 degrees, we know this engine kind of likes it, and we're going to try that out first.
Oh, love that.
Oh yeah. We're pointing at number 3, but it'll probably twist as it goes on down. Oh.
Okay, that's too much.
That's a little much. Hit me when it drops.
Alright.
Now Kentucky's gonna make it fall all the way down.
There you go.
Keeps it in. I said gear, but I meant shaft. I said shaft on video.
Shaft.
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 That's easy.
Go away.
We done that. And depending on the style of engine you got, this is small box Chevy will depend on your filing order. But if it's stock intake and stuff, it's usually on the front of the motor. If not, you can Google it. I check it with time of light. We gotta fix that vacuum leak. You got that vacuum gauge? Yeah. Got it idling. It's idling. It's idling. Yeah, we got it off. This is distributed the whole damn time. Holy crap. Hope you enjoyed. We got this timed and everything. It's running real good. We're going to test drive it now, but I think we might have the ping fixed.